Okay, let's try to explain you how to create a flower with a Rubik's Cube, okay? This is a very basic thing, it's very intuitive. I will try to explain the moves as the best that I can. Let me say that this thing that we're going to do is a resemblance and is the same thing that a basic method, a beginner's method to solve the cube. To solve the cube, you first have to solve the white cross. Okay. In this case, we're going to do a flower with opposite colors, and it's going to be easier because in order to solve the cube, when you solve the white cross, you have to take care of getting the pieces matching the centers. We're not going to do that, okay? But let me explain you first with the white cross, so it's going to be more intuitive, okay? Imagine that I want to solve and put white, 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 white in there. What I need to find first is the pieces of two sides that have some white on it, okay? Let's look at this one. It's a very easy one. Since I don't mind to put this here, 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 or here, I will use the best place to do it. In this case, this piece is one move away to be here, which is just like so. Very easy, okay? This is interesting because it's opposite side, okay? There's two things I could do with this one. In order to do the flower, okay? It is just to either do like this and put it here with two moves, which is very easy. One move and another move, and it's already solved it. Remember, I don't care about the center because we're going to just do the flower. But imagine that I want to do something else. Imagine that I want to use this, turn this square like this. What I would do is just put it in the upper layer, and then in order to put it here, I will just move this away to the right, go down, put it there. It's already there, and this is important to do. Reverse this last thing we do, so we don't spoil the thing that we have here. In this case, we didn't solve it already, but in case that we had it, then that will prevent me to spoil the thing, to mess the other parts of the square, of the cross. This one, same thing. I can either choose to put this white here or here. There's one of the places which is much more easier. Is one move away only, which is this one. One move, okay? But imagine that I don't want to do that. Imagine that I find it somewhere else. I can do like this. Imagine that I have the piece here. Then I wanted to put it here or here, but here is going to be easier. In order to put this piece here, what I like to do is just a couple of moves. Okay, turn it 180 degree. So I have already three. Let's find the other one is this one, okay? In order to work this one to here, first I need to put it in the upper layer. If I do only like this, it's a bad thing because I spoil this. So what I do is something typical, you will get used to it, is just do a move, put it aside and reverse it. So I don't spoil this. And I already have the piece on the upper layer where I can work with. Now, the good thing is just to put it in front on the square that I need it to be, and I let you figure this out. Again, this is a very easy case. It's two moves away from here. It's just one and two. Okay, so that will complete the cross. We're going to do it again, so you get the feel. Maybe we find on more different cases, but we are going to use the yellow ones because we're going to create a flower, not a white cross. Okay, so let's scramble this a little bit. Okay, so I need white, 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 white. I can look here or I can look here. Here I have a piece. It is on the reversed. It's not in the proper order, but since it's the first one I need to put, I don't need to do all the thing that requires me to put this in the very same place. I can only do like this, and I find a place for it. Okay. Imagine I would like to put this piece precisely here. What I will do is put it on top. Now, what I will do is the other case. I want this here. The obvious thing will be do something like this, but this will spoil the center. So I have to put it aside, go down, back, and up. Just a good practice, and then that will put it that piece there. Here is reversed. I could do the same thing or just be efficient and put it here with two moves. One move, another move, and it is on the proper place. Okay, this one, I would like to put it here. Let first put it on the top layer. Okay, so I have this case. Remember, when you have a piece on the top layer, you either have two cases. Either the white is here or the white is here. If the white is here, it's just two moves, 180 degrees. If the white is facing you, you have to do a little more sneaky thing, which is this again. Put it aside, go down. This is the move that we're going to reverse now. Put it and reverse this move, so I don't spoil this. Now this makes sense, okay? There's one last square that I need to put. I need to find it first, where it is, where is the white, where is the whitey? Here, okay? So I need this here, this piece here. First, let me put it on the proper place. Okay, we are in this one of these two cases, is the hardest one. Both are easy actually, so I can do this again. Put it aside, go down, put it, and reverse. So now I managed to have almost the flower. What I need to do is now the green squares, and that's going to go to see it in a moment. Okay, now the squares. This is a little bit more tricky, a little bit more harder, but don't worry, okay? The squares, you can either find them in the layer in the bottom or the upper layer, okay? If this is in the bottom, you have to do a little bit more moves. Let's look first at the easiest case. Imagine that you have a green one that you want to put it here, and it's in the top layer, okay? This, you can find the square in three cases. Here, you remember, the white could be either in one of these two places, but here, since there is three pieces, the green could be here, or could be here, okay? This and this are similar, are the same case. You just have to reverse the hand. If this is pointing upwards, the green is a little bit more elaborate, but not that much. So we have here. Let's just think the obvious thing to do, okay? The obvious thing to do will be just to go like this and put it, okay? But if you do that, you spoil your cross. So that is no good. What you can do is do something like this. You can one way to do it, okay? You put this a little bit away. Now you can bring up that square. Now you can position, reverse the first move and go down. That is one way to do it, okay? But the mechanics is always the same. You just have to put it in the place without spoiling the rest. Let's take a look. Let's look at this. Imagine you want to put this green in here. There is this algorithm that will reverse the, not reverse, twist the 90 degrees this piece. So I will do it. I will just put the notation so you can learn it. It's like this. By doing this, the piece did like click, and now the green is here. If I repeat this sequence, the green is going to be here. You will see, ta 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 ta, and now it's here. If I do it again, ta 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 ta. Now it's here, and what I want to do is just to put it there, so I will just do it one last time. This algorithm uses these moves just to turn the square around. Let's go for another one. This is case very easy again, that we need know how to solve it. Let's find later a case when we have the green in this side. I already taught this thing, okay? But there's another way to do it, which is with my left hand. I can do like this, which is equivalent. It's three moves because I need to do a move to not spoil the cross, do my other move, and then reverse the first one, okay? The last one, the lance of the squares, is the green on this side. I can do it any way I want, like this, for instance. I can take this up, this like this, and now I put it down, okay? Now I have it. I didn't find this other case with the green were upside, so let me scramble this a little bit, and I will find a way just to let you know. Yes. Okay, so I just create this case. I have my green pointing upwards. What I have to do is kind of turn in the square. So what I do is turn it around, do 2 moves, and then go like this. Now it is in this side, and I can easily put it here. Okay, so it is kind of a variation on the twisting the square. I will do the same. Just to do this thing. The move. If I do it with my right hand, I turn the square clockwise. If I do it with my left hand, I turn the square counterclockwise. Yes, and that's my cat. Again, same thing. I can do this move counterclockwise with my left hand, and I put it there. And let's find the last one. It's here. Okay, I bring it here. Now it's on the right side. There's 2 ways I can do it. 2 ways that I know. I will teach you this one. I put it up and go like this. Okay. The other one could be, well, I could do it like this, and so on. Okay. So that's the idea of doing the flower. You first have to do the square, then just the cross, then the square, and you just get used to these moves to make it happen.